Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. Today's episode is about a favorite Filipino dish called patatim or braised pork hock. Patatim is a fusion of sweet and savory goodness that is typical in Philippine cuisine. After washing and cleaning the pork hock, we will boil them in water with laurel leaves, salt and pepper. This will help remove the unpleasant taste and odor. 30 minutes should be enough to remove the impurities. The unwanted scum should be removed so we can use the broth later on. Fry the pork to sear in the flavor and for better texture. Continue frying until we get a nice golden brown on all sides. Now we are ready to add the broth combined with other ingredients like soy sauce, sugar, star anise and cinnamon. We will simmer it for about 1 hour or until it is fall off the bone tender. Then we add the cornstarch mixture to thicken the sauce. Finally, we add the vegetables. Simmer for 2 minutes or until the vegetables are done. Patatim is ready. Come and get it. Gutom na ba kayo? Kainan na! If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updated for upcoming videos. Thank you to our friends from Ashburn, Virginia for this delicious gift. O yung kape, mainit na ba?